Hi, welcome to the YouTube channel, guys. Today I'm going to share you good news. I recently bought a cycle. It's been a month. I want to just show you. So the name of the cycle is Hero Sprint, as you can see, and the model name is Compass. This is 2090, by the way. Both the wheels are 29-inch, and frame size is L. The frame size is L. And let's start with the basic components. So we have front suspension of spur over here, which is, I think, is pretty good. I've been to off-road few times and it performs very well. It's in between the soft and hard suspension, so does the work. So the cycle is equipped with 21 gears, 3 in the front and rear has 7, so the combination is 21, 7 by 3, and both are from microSHIFT. I'll tell you the story of the front derailleur later. Let's look at the other part. The cycle is equipped with disc brake as well. Ignore this part, I have just oiled the gear. Both have disc, front and rear. So let's talk about the good part. I bought this cycle for 16,000 and I think this is a pretty good deal. It is from Hero Sprint, so it's an Indian made, and again 2090, 21 gears, large size frame, and I'm 6 feet, so this cycle works very good for me. I ride it on city roads and sometimes I do off-road, not much, but yeah, I do. So let's talk about the front derailleur story. I bought this cycle on 3rd January and within 15 days I started getting issues from the front derailleur. Front derailleur are these. So you will ask me, you said about microSHIFT and you have Shimano in here, so I'll tell you the story. I had a very bad time with the front derailleurs. The chain used to rub on the derailleur and sometimes used to slip the gear. So after talking to the local mechanic, he tried to bend the derailleur and he almost broke it. So I had to write a letter and mail to the company, and they were pretty good enough. They provided me a Shimano, which was earlier used on a Hero Sprint. And again, it's a big chaos between Chinese and Indians, so they have shifted to microSHIFT, which is from Japan. So now it works fine, I think, and pretty much it's a good cycle overall.